Hello there. The European Commission this week announced a new record 715 million euros from the EU budget for the Global Fund for 2022 to 2025 at the 7th Global Fund Replenishment Conference hosted by US President Biden in New York. Along with the pledges from EU member states, Team Europe reaffirms its strong commitment to the Global Fund with a total contribution of more than 4 billion euros for the period of 2023 to 25. The Global Fund, an international partnership to fight AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria, has saved 50 million lives over the past 20 years. The new contribution complements the 150 million euros allocated this year from the EU budget to the Global Fund's COVID-19 crisis response mechanism to help countries cover the cost of personal protective equipment, diagnostic tests, and some therapeutics as well. The Global Fund aims to raise at least 18 billion US dollars over the period 23 to 25 to save 20 million lives, prevent more than 450 million infections, reduce the death rate from HIV, also from tuberculosis and malaria by 64%, and build a healthier and fairer world. Of the 18 billion, 6 billion will be invested in strengthening health systems and community networks. As a result, the fund could significantly better support countries in building more people-centric and integrated health systems that are better able to prevent, detect, and respond to infectious disease threats. When the Global Fund was established 20 years ago, HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria seemed invincible. But with science, adequate resources, and effective global collaboration, even the deadliest diseases can be forced into retreat. In just 20 years, the Global Fund Partnership has saved 50 million lives and reduced the death toll by more than half. In addition to its mandate to end AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria, the Global Fund is a leading player in the fight against COVID-19. The fund has been the primary vehicle for providing financial support to low and middle-income countries for everything but vaccines. As part of C19RM, the fund supports countries to cover the costs of personal protective equipment, diagnostic tests, and therapeutics. The EU has announced 150 million for the C19RM. The European Union and its member states, as Team Europe, make an important contribution to the Global Fund. The European Commission has pledged 550 million for the sixth replenishment of the Global Fund for the period 2020 to 2022. With a new pledge of 715 million, the European Commission's total contribution to the Global Fund over the period from 2001 to 25 is 3.5 billion. Contributions from the EU and its 27 member states to the Global Fund of the period from 2001 to 25 account to $21.2 billion. The pledge is part of the European Commission's strong commitment to global health, which includes bilateral and regional support for partner country health systems, as well as other global health initiatives such as the World Health Organization, GIVI, the Vaccine Alliance, and the Financial Intermediary Fund for Pandemic Prevention, and also for preparedness and reaction. And so, once again, it's a good thing that we here on continental Europe are working together. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back.